the cold here. Carve a dagger in your forehead. Even better, you can slather it in badass and have a nasty trip. Stabbing the captain of a ghastly ship, higher than a pirate. Streets no longer private, and if you got something I want, you better hide it. Nah, we're just vibing.
Now I know I've seen this kid before. I either kissed his sister or kicked down his door. Slipped, sit in his system, met his fist or ignored him. All in good boredom, like orgasms while snoring. Shit, I should've kept my feet on the floor, cause now they want an encore, but I'm already soaring. I finished all my chores, Mom, can I please go outdoors? I've got some sports to ignore and horse drawers to explore.
If my flow gets outrageous, not to worry, it ain't contagious. It would take you ages to write half these pages. You ain't half as crazy, twice as lazy. I reckon recklessly, effectively, even when I'm hazy. And it's your lady that pays me when she spends these records on the daily. It's no wonder that you hate me. I can relate, man. I hate me too if I weren't so busy slaying.
You gotta behave, man. Be careful what you're saying. But I'm tired of evading a game I can't keep playing.
Behind the dance door, hustle, hustle. Behind the dance door, hustle, hustle. Behind the dance door, hustle, hustle. Behind the dance door.
Farewell to the fever of the unbelievers and latching lips that attach and sip. Regular leechers and grim reapers, playing for keeps, praying to Jesus, saying he sees us. When it matters, we'll beat dust, left just to feed bugs, planted seeds so others can be us. Fuck it, I enter the dime store, pick up a pack of smokes and a magazine.
Behind the dance door, hustle, hustle. Behind the dance door, hustle, hustle. Behind the dance door, hustle, hustle. Behind the dance door.